Let me apologize one more time for the giveaways tonight. But you know what? I'm kind of glad it happened because we had a great time talking spring lawn tips with BYD. There were a lot of questions, a lot of chat. I really enjoyed it. So we're just going to do the giveaways this way. We're going to start. I'm going to kick off with the Collage Gel and Hydrotain. Congratulations, Motivated Moments. We're going to move right on in to Turfman next. All right, Piem, you're the winner for that one. I hope I pronounced your name right. New subscriber, I appreciate you. Next, we're going to move right on into the Covington giveaway. Congratulations, 207 Lawn Legends. Now we're going to move into one of my favorite companies, Simple Lawn Solutions. Here we go, Ryan Noor box plus 1 gallon of 600. Nick Landmesser, congratulations. That's a good one. We are moving into our final giveaway. Let me say, American Blade, thank you so much for this giveaway, for contributing to this. I wish we could have had you on the show to chat a little bit, but I understand we couldn't make it work. But here we go, the All American Blade Sharpener giveaway. Good luck, everybody. CR. Congratulations. You have won the All American Blade Sharpener. Everyone, please don't forget to contact me. Email me. I'm going to need your mailing information, your phone number, your email address. Even if I've gotten it before, just email me with that information and I will get those prizes out to you as soon as possible. Thank you, everyone, for participating tonight and being in the chat. It was so much fun, and I'll catch you.